In 2025, ALG Vacations partnered with Amstar for a year of giving back to the Aquiles Peña school. It was clear this 3-classroom school in rural Miches, Dominican Republic needed help. With cracked floors, an unsafe yard, and no place for the kids to eat lunch or even read, we knew we had to step up. And with a team of 180 amazing travel advisors and colleagues there to pitch in, this is what working together made possible. Travel advisors change the world every day, and together we can show just how far kindness can go.